Hey guys, today I am presenting before you a very important aspect of what are the factors which will affect the markets in 2023. As we know that today all the countries are well globally integrated. So the first very important point is the US policy of increasing the rate hike. As we know that the inflationary trend in US is getting reduced and at the same time the unemployment statistics are also easing, because of which the economy at its level and at the global level is going to play a very important factor for strengthening of domestic markets and international markets. Secondly, the ceasefire between Ukraine and Russia has also to prove a very important point for the markets to perform in the near future. It is expected that the ceasefire between Ukraine and Russia will escalate the markets at one end, ease out the tensions between the Russia and the Western Europe at other end, ease out the commodity prices, specifically the crude also at the other end. So this aspect is going to prove a very important point for the markets to perform in the near future. The third very important point is China opening up after a long time. Because of the zero tolerance policy towards COVID, China's manufacturing has been affected, because of which the entire disruption in the manufacturing side has been encountered by the world. So, in order for the entire world's global manufacturing to get streamlined, China plays a very important role. So, with opening up of China, we can expect the markets to react in a positive manner. And last but not the least, India as a global leader has also to play a very important role. With streamlining of the FIIs and FDI norms at one end and attracting the foreign investors through PLI scheme, China Plus One scheme, the Indian markets are also expected to perform well on the global level. So keeping all these four aspects into a consideration, it is expected that the markets by the end of second quarters will take a streamlined position upward. By then, it will be a little choppy. So guys, it is expected that you should invest your money through SIPs and STPs and always see your portfolio from a macroeconomic point of view rather than simply from the micro point of view. So happy investing and watch us for a new video which is coming out soon. Stay connected with MoneyTree Partners.